Welcome to tutorial 1.2 of module 1.2, which is about leveraging generative AI in software testing. We'll understand the core principles of how you can leverage generative AI in software testing. Now, if we talk about the basics of the core principles, Gen AI provides transformative capability in various test activities. And if you are already working in some project, you might have seen the power of Gen AI in expediting your testing activities. For example, suggesting or getting the test cases generated out of the requirement of the user story, getting the test plan created or the basic skeletal being planned or generated automatically using the Gen AI model. Now, some of the capabilities of large language models that are helpful in software testing are processing natural language and code, generating text and code, answering questions, summarizing info, suggesting the test cases, test plan, translating languages. For example, you want to test the language translation capability. You can leverage the Gen AI model in that case, analyzing the images in multimodal context. So a lot of scenarios are available wherein you can use the power of Gen AI in software testing. LLM can summarize, for example, LLM can summarize the defect report and generate test scripts for the user story, generate test plan for you, can suggest you the automation code based on the UI that you have. For example, for the login UI, for the login page, can you suggest the automation code? So a lot of possibilities are possible or there using Gen AI in software testing. How you can use or leverage: testers can use Gen AI chatbots to get instant answers to the queries. That's what we have been doing, right? So you are using ChatGPT, you are using it as a chatbot to get your answers, you provide the requirement, suggest me the test cases for this requirement, for this user story. Then you can use the LLM powered test tool, which is integrated into testing application. Test auto generate or tool auto generates test cases from the requirement. So if you have integrated the Gen AI model into your tool itself, for example, wherever your requirements are, say Jira is holding your requirement, and within Jira you have some add-on that has the LLM capabilities to look for the requirement and suggest the test cases automatically using the prompt that you type in. Then that's where the Gen AI is really helpful. So this is just a brief of the core principles, but in the next couple of tutorials we'll understand all of these concepts in much more detail. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.